Hi guys, I recently bought this camping backpacking stove and it's perfect for anyone who loves hiking and camping. First of all, it's super lightweight and compact, so it doesn't take up much space in your backpack. I really appreciate how foldable it is, and it even comes with a carrying case, making it easy to pack and carry. The stove is made from durable stainless steel and aluminum alloy, which makes it both windproof and waterproof. This is really important when you're outdoors and dealing with unpredictable weather. The stove has a power output of 3900 watts, so it meets up fast and cooking effectively. I've used it on my last trip and found that it handled different cooking tasks without any uses. It's stable and I felt safe using it even in windy conditions. The packing included two adapters and storage box, but be aware that the gas tank and pot are not included, so you'll need to bring your own. Overall, it's reliable and durable camping stove that I would recommend it to anyone who enjoys outdoor adventure. It's designed to work well in various conditions, and it's definitely a must-have for campers and hikers looking for a compact, high-performing stove. For the price, it's a great deal.